Today we will learn how to change the share label text in WordPress in a simple and straightforward manner. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. You will see the main page once you load the site. This is your starting point for accessing all the features available on the platform. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login area. Clicking this will allow you to sign into your account securely. It is essential to always make sure you are using your own credentials and that your account information is kept safe. After clicking on the login button, the next step is to use the social media login option provided by WordPress. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google. When you click this, a selection menu will appear allowing you to choose the Google account you would like to use. This method is a quick and reliable way to access your WordPress account without needing to remember additional login details. Once you have signed in using the Google option, you will now notice various management features available on your screen. Your attention should now be directed to the Tools section, which can be easily accessed by clicking on the Tools menu. This section houses several options for managing your site's functionality and appearance. The Tools area is designed to simplify tasks like the one we are performing now, ensuring that any adjustments are done with ease. Within the Tools section, find and click on Sharing buttons. This particular feature is what enables you to modify how content is shared across various social media platforms. The Sharing Buttons feature is a handy tool that allows you to customize sharing settings on your website, and it is especially useful if you want your visitors to share your content with a personalized label. After you have navigated to Sharing Buttons, look for the option that allows you to edit the label text. On selecting Edit Label Text, you will be provided the option to change the default text that accompanies the share buttons. This customization is a great way to provide a more personal touch and to better reflect your website's voice or brand. Replace the existing text with your desired label text. Be sure to take a moment to review what you have entered, as this text will be visible to your site visitors when they use the share buttons. When you are satisfied with your new label text, your final step is to save your changes. Click on Save Changes to ensure that all modifications are updated on your WordPress site. Saving your changes is crucial because it officially applies your new label text to the sharing buttons and allows your visitors to see the updated version. Following these steps carefully will help you successfully change the share label text on WordPress. By accessing the website, logging in through Google, and navigating through the Tools and Sharing button sections, you can quickly update your site's share features. This process not only enhances your website's functionality, but also improves its overall visual appeal when your visitors decide to share its content. Continue to explore other customization options on WordPress to further personalize your website experience.